Sorry to interrupt your scrolling. This is a video from Chronic Cody.
Due to people talking, I decided to redo this video. Why image size matters.
People think image size doesn't matter, but if you create anything online, it's everything. Every size has a job.
Every size has a job.
Wait, what?
1080 by 1920 for full scenes. 512 by 512 for stickers and assets. 128 by 128 for emojis and micro icons. And if you use the wrong size, the platform will punish you for it.
Wait, what?
1080 by 1920 is your full scene size. This is what phones, social platforms, and storefronts are built around. When you upload in this size, your art stays sharp, clean, and crisp. This is the size for vertical, wallpapers, or anything to fill the full screen. 512 by 512 is your sticker size. Big enough to stay crisp, small enough to load instantly. Platforms downscale stickers anyways, so starting at 512 keeps them safe everywhere. This is the size for reactions, assets, pack elements, and anything you want people to drag, drop, and use. 128 by 128 is emoji territory. Platforms shrink down emojis to sometimes 32 pixels, 24 even. Starting at 128 keeps your lines clean and your expressions readable. This is the size for emojis, Twitch emotes, micro icons, and anything meant to live small. When you export in the right size, your art looks good everywhere. Phones, chats, stores, social feeds, creators, brands, buyers, everyone benefits from clean, intentional sized art. That's actually why everything I make always comes in those three sizes. Everything. So no matter what I'm using it for, or who's using it, or where I'm using it, I'll have it in the size I need it in, or they will. This is one of those things that I had to learn the hard way, by making so many mistakes over and over again.
You stupid son of a I swear to
And I watched creators, I've watched YouTube channels, anything you could think of, and these are the type of lessons that they don't teach you. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, I'm going to continuously be putting out content around everything, around anything you can do online. And all these things will be things most of the time they don't tell you. Hope everybody has a great day.